And you can do. Do you have hiccups?
It's like easy.
That's not the right way.
It is. I don't have a hip up anymore. Hip what?
Hick, H-I-C.
Hip
Hick.
up. I don't have
Hick.
hick up. Hick up anymore. Okay, I'm gonna show you the redneck way.
You don't have to do it with your shirt. Don't get that. They'll think we're making her be like Cinderella and clean the floor.